Okay, so we start. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Muiz Fata with ID number 50251005, and today I'm gonna present my project for midterm for framework-based programming. And it's I take my project name is Editor Store Inventory, uh, which is inspired by my students associations activities we when where my department, especially in entrepreneurship, do some sales. So we need to do to so my purpose is to make some post or point of sale website to help to manage the inventories, the items of the that kind of that we will be sell. So here's for the home page. It's just a simple, so I didn't make adjustment for the layout. So we started first the login. Yeah, we check now as the example login. Okay, then we could see we waiting first. Yeah, here's the dashboard. So here's the editor store inventory to help for our sales. And here's the dashboard. So for the tools or resources, we are using filament to help me to make the UI, and then LiveWire also. So we can see from the resources, I using LiveWire to help to to construct the logical things in here. And yeah, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 models to use. So here's the dashboard, and I using filament to do this layout. And we could see in here in here in stats usage and sales stats in here. Okay, and then there's a point of sales too, which is we can at the there will be appear an item that we're gonna be sold based on the item database, and will be appear in it. And for now, I cannot use it cannot appear the image for now, so just only the name, the SKU or the ID of the product and its price, and we can add to cart here, and we can select the customer. So the customer, there's a database for the customer too, and we can use check the payment method. And if we set if we click, it cannot be processed because we didn't input the amount yet. So like example, we like example complete sale. Okay, and it can, and there is a new record for the transaction, and the number of sales have been increasing too. And there's a manage customer, so we can edit, and we can delete the customer. We can add new customer in here, and we can edit the customer here. Like example, I want to add the customer. Example one, 1111111. Email like example one. Gmail.com. So for the customer, it doesn't related to the login and register out or authentication. So the ones that gonna be related to those is the user, manage user. So here's for the customer only for recording our customers who who want to buy who want to buy our products. And the payment methods same as customer, we can edit, we can delete, and we can add new one. And for manage user, same, we can add new, and there is a role in here. So like example, I want to add new, and I can choose the name, I can choose the role, and it's based on my current student association himpunan. There is a head of the department, a secretary of the department, a head of the bureau, a vice head of bureau, and the staff itself. This is for the login register. So like example, I can use. So for now, there is no role based for now. So example, I can add a new user and can use their emails and their passwords to log in to this inventory. So this purposes is only for the functionary or the entrepreneurship functionary. Oh yeah, as a matter of fact, EDD is for entrepreneurship development department in my student associations. And here's the item. So yeah, these are for manage items. But for now, we cannot. It hasn't been optimal yet for the image. So it only manages the name, the SKU, the ID of the product, the price, and the status. Is it active or not? And we can add, edit, or delete. Yeah, you can edit the image, we can adjust the price, but it hasn't been optimized yet for the image, and same for the point of sales. And here's the inventory to see the the quantity. So the product that we appeared, we can adjust the quantity first. So if we didn't add the quantity of the item, it will not appear in the point of sale in here. So like example, I want to add a new product. Yeah, example, product one, hmm, product one, and the price maybe like 30,000 rupiah. Is it active? Yes. Submit. Okay, product one will be appear, but it doesn't appear yet on the point of sale. So we need to add a new inventory. Like we need to add the quantity first. For example, I want to add 12, and then we submit it. Then the product one will be appear here, as we could see in here. And we can add to the cart, and we can add cart, and we can sell the customer example one that have been created before, and we can choose the cash. And for the logic itself, here we could see in the post in the live wire. Here's the all the logic for the point of sales to or the inventory. There's a lot of it. So there's a filter items to search the items, a subtotal to totaling all, including the tax too. There's a subtotal for the product. My apologies. So the subtotal here, and here's the tax. And for now, the example we're using 11% of the tax. Then there's a total uh, after we after we add the tax, and we can see the change, and we can, and this is the end logic for the add to cart. Here we can do update quantity, remove from cart, we can remove it. We can check out that by clicking the complete sale. And there's the logic too, if the cart is empty, that the the process will not be finished. And here's the logic for validation for paid amount, and this is for the database for the begin transaction. So it will store the create sale. So after we do the inventory, this will be create a sale. After we complete a sale, they will be creating a sale in the sale model, and we create the sale item 2, and we update the stock. So here's the logic to basically make a new product, adding the quantity, and the product will be appear in the point of sales, and yeah, it will commit the database itself. And there's a error exception if there will be an error, and we could see the error later on by this message, get message. So we can see the message if there is an error or not, and we can, example, I can add whenever I want, like 40, like 5 million, and maybe I can buy for 6 million, example. Yeah. And you could see that this is the paid amount. Yeah. And here's the sales. It's same as the dashboard as the sales stats. And maybe that's it for my project, sir. Thank you very much for your attention. So to recap it, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 models, and it's database. Then this is migrations, the factories, and the seeders, and here's the all others. And here's the live wire. I using live wire to do the logic, and I use filament, PHP filament, to easy creating UI layout. So I think that's all from me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.